today's gonna be a very productive day for this last day of vlogmas because we have a lot to do and I work from home. We're gonna try our best to get a lot of things done, a lot of things we've been avoiding. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog and let's get started. Try to make this. They gave us this for free with our Safeway grocery order that we went to pick up, so I'm gonna try this out because I'm so tired and I really want some coffee. And we haven't bought coffee, we haven't gotten groceries actually because we're about to leave, so we're just trying to finish everything that we have. This is a lot though. I don't know if I should add the whole thing. It smells very sweet, so hopefully it's not too sweet. There's only a little bit left, but I'm gonna add some water. It's not bad. I think I added a little bit too much water, so I'm gonna add the rest of the powder because I feel like there's more water than powder in here. Right now I think it's like 11 or something, but I'm about to start lunch because Caesar is coming for lunch today and we were too lazy to cook last night. So I'm gonna make some soup right now real quick. I think I've showed you guys how I make it before, but this time I don't have cooked chicken, so I need to cook the chicken right now. But it's like the super quickest. I will try to find the TikTok that I'm referencing for the soup down and put it in the description box down below. But super quick. I took Leo for a long walk and I am a little hot. I can't wait to shower. I really want to shower. So much to do. I'm gonna do a quick little like list right here on the screen. So already made myself breakfast, already took Leo for a long walk. Also update, I'm really liking the coffee. I'm almost done with it. Took a shower, as you can tell. I am about to detangle my hair, and again, you guys have seen me talk about this like for so long, but this is the Unite 7 Seconds Detangler leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna use this and detangle my hair. I got a new brush from Target. This is another wet brush, but this one is like apparently eco-friendly or something. I really like the bristles are very thin, and I think that helps my thin hair. I don't know. But so far, as you can tell, it's like detangling really smoothly. We're gonna add the Watermelon Glow Cinnamide Sunscreen. Caesar just got me this as part of my Christmas gift, and I'm so excited because I've been wanting this for so long, and I've heard such amazing things about it. So this is the Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. It comes with this so that you can apply the product. So I've been using this ever since I got it, and so far my skin is loving it. Just add that much, and then I'm gonna blend it all out, and it feels so nice. So I've been a big fan of this so far. I will link it down below if you're interested. This is definitely the most expensive moisturizer I've ever had, but I'm also very sensitive to so many things, so I'm really happy that my skin really likes this so far. I'm gonna charge my camera, so I'll keep you updated. Let's give Leo vlogmas day 5. Seems like it's a little square treat. Come. Up. Up. Yes! Good boy!
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, Bet you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready.
It is 5 o'clock now, and it literally took me like so long to just import so much footage that I have to edit for 3 videos. So I imported Vlogmas Day 4, Vlogmas Day 5 right now that I'm vlogging, like all the footage that I have, and then on top of that I also got all the footage from my 2024 reset. So definitely go watch it. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to see if I have what I need to make chaufa, which is basically like Peruvian fried rice. So I am missing one thing, but I think I'm just gonna get it out so that way we don't buy anything else out, because I do have some chicken and it's like Peruvian fried rice. It's super easy. We basically have everything else. Hello vlog. We're doing laundry. So much fun. We're about to go to Target because we have to
close at midnight.
Yeah, oh my gosh, I found a Target. This is the first Target. We forgot the sheets.
No, dude.
Oh, you brought it?
Yeah, he's being loud.
I was saying that I found a Target that closes at midnight, which is the first Target personally that I've seen that closes at Target at midnight.
That closes at Target.
At Target.
These wings. Is there one that's already ready?
I guess this one, I guess.
Okay. All done.
All done. So it hasn't been very successful so far. There's not a lot of things. I couldn't find underwear. I found socks so far and a pair of PJ shorts. We're looking for sandals, like just beach sandals. Oh, they have these for me, but I don't know why.
My outfit.
They would go great with your outfit. They're bedazzled. I don't know why.
Yes, we can just take them off. Right? Can we just take the studs off?
I mean, I get it that it's not summer here, but I thought they would have things on sale or something. Okay, mini little Target haul. I only got a pair of PJ shorts. This is by the Stars Above, and I just got a pair. I used to have a gray one, but they're super old and everything, so I'm getting rid of those. And I got black because I thought it would be better than gray. Then I just got a set of socks. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe down below. No biting. No biting. No biting. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next vlog, which will probably be the travel or pack with me vlog, which I'm filming in the next few days, probably tomorrow.